A rocket ascends into the vast sky, its engines roaring with the ambition of an entire species. It carries within its sleek, metallic frame not only the hope of discovering new worlds, but also a price tag that stretches into the billions. As its fiery plume fades into the upper atmosphere, humanity celebrates another step toward unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Yet, at the very moment when eyes are lifted skyward, somewhere else on Earth, a child curls up to sleep with an empty stomach. A mother kneels by her bedside, whispering silent prayers that tomorrow will bring clean water for her family. These are the quiet struggles that so often unfold in the shadow of our greatest technological triumphs. Have you ever wondered why, as we pour resources into the search for life beyond our planet, life right here can remain so fragile, so neglected? Every year, nations and private enterprises commit tens of billions of dollars to the cause of space exploration. Satellites are launched, robotic explorers crawl across distant planets, space stations orbit above, and ambitious plans are drawn up to send humans to Mars. The drive to reach further, to know more, is relentless and inspiring. But according to the United Nations, it would take only about $30 billion a year, a fraction of global spending on space, to eradicate hunger from the face of the Earth. This uncomfortable contrast raises a question that echoes through boardrooms, classrooms, and living rooms alike. Are we choosing to explore instead of to heal? Are we chasing dreams among the stars while refusing to confront the harsh realities beneath our feet? Those who champion space exploration offer powerful arguments. They point out that investing in space isn't just about curiosity or prestige. It's a catalyst for innovation, a wellspring of new technology, and a powerful engine for job creation. Some go even further, suggesting that space research might one day save humanity itself, whether by detecting a deadly asteroid before it strikes, or by devising ways to combat climate change. Indeed, many of the technologies that define modern life owe their existence to the demands of space. The GPS guiding you through city streets, the satellite internet connecting remote villages, advanced environmental sensors, even breakthroughs in medicine. The benefits of reaching for the stars, they argue, often return to Earth in ways that transform daily life. Yet, for every advocate, there are critics who urge caution, or even outrage. They argue that the cosmos can wait, while humanity cannot. They look at the billions spent on rockets and rovers, and ask, why seek life on Mars when we have not yet learned to cherish and protect life here on Earth? Why search for water beneath the Martian surface when so many children walk miles each day for a single bucket of clean water? Their voices remind us that resources are finite, and priorities must be chosen with care. They fear that in our race to explore, we risk leaving the most vulnerable behind. Perhaps the most unsettling thought is not that we lack the means to solve these problems, but that we choose to spend our resources elsewhere. The tragedy may not be in scarcity, but in allocation. What does it say about us as a species if we use our wealth to chase distant horizons, while hunger and suffering persist in our midst? And yet there is something uniquely human in both our longing for the stars and our empathy for those in need. We are the only creatures who dream of touching other worlds, and the only ones who feel pain at the suffering of our neighbors. Maybe the true challenge is not to choose one path over the other, but to embrace both. Must we decide between reaching into the unknown and caring for those at home? Or is it possible to do both? To soar to new heights without leaving anyone behind? A dream, after all, is only meaningful when it is not built on the foundation of forgetfulness. The pursuit of knowledge, the thrill of discovery, these are noble endeavors. But compassion, our capacity to care for one another, is what keeps us grounded, what ensures that our progress remains humane. So perhaps the question is not whether we should explore or help, but how we can do both. How can we ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared by all? How can we channel the same ingenuity and determination that propels rockets skyward into solving the persistent challenges that face humanity on Earth? Can the spirit that aims for the stars also illuminate the darkest corners of suffering here at home. Imagine a world where technological breakthroughs sparked by space research are used to purify water in the world's poorest regions, where the jobs and industries created by the space economy lift communities out of poverty, where the awe inspired by exploring the universe becomes a force for uniting humanity rather than dividing it into those who look up and those who are left behind. The future does not have to be a choice between the cosmos and compassion. The greatest societies are defined not by what they achieve in isolation, but by what they achieve together. As we send our machines and one day ourselves to other planets, let us also remember to care for this one. Let us ensure that every leap for mankind truly benefits mankind as a whole. If you have ever wrestled with these questions, you are not alone. These are conversations worth having, debates worth engaging in, because only through honest reflection and shared purpose can we build a future that is both wondrous and just. Let us keep searching for knowledge. Let us keep dreaming, but let us also keep reaching out to those in need. The universe is vast, but so is our capacity for kindness. If we combine our curiosity with compassion, there is no limit to what we can achieve, both among the stars and right here, at home.